Hi, Bo here, your stress coach. I just spent the last 2 weeks down with the flu. When I say down, I mean way down. I lost my voice, couldn't move, coughed my lungs out. It was crazy. One thing I do though when I'm sick is get quiet. This time I dove into a book I've had for a long time called Lessons in Truth by Emily Cady. I think it was written in the late 1800s. But truth, if it's really truth, doesn't change no matter how old it is, right? What I discovered reading this book was that maybe I need to approach relieving stress from a different angle. If you've ever been near a lake or a large body of water, you know that in the center of the lake is the calmest, clearest, cleanest water. As you get to the edges of the bank, though, waste collects there like scum, dead fish, garbage people left there. What I want you to know today is that at the center of the lake is like your pure soul. It's where you're connected to spirit. As the lake water disperses from the center, it collects garbage like when our pure thoughts get invaded by the internet, bad news, problem relationships, work, and money issues. This is where the garbage collects in the human part of our soul. Today, I want you to do a simple exercise to get rid of this garbage that collects and causes stress, basically dispersing the good energy from your soul to the extremities of your body and your life. Just put your hand on your heart and take the biggest breath you can. Imagining that you're taking that God energy and bringing it into the outer parts of your body first. Then begin to think about taking that perfect love and peace to your work. See it in your finances, in your relationship. Use your imagination. See your good flowing from the center of your being. It's a deep breathing exercise, so it's going to calm you first, but it's also using your imagination, which is where spirit communicates. Try it. I promise it'll make your day better.
Life can get really busy taking care of my home, 2 careers, and my family when your mind can't seem to get quiet to rest. That's when you need to use zeroing out.
I never thought I could quiet my mind in only 3 minutes. Zeroing out works.
I highly recommend Zeroing Out by Sebastian. It's been very helpful for me and it's helped me navigate through difficult times. It's just a great book. Everyone should get it.
I tried the zeroing out technique and I have to say it was surprisingly effective and very simple. On those days I'm going 90 to nothing and I just need to slow my brain down for a minute to get back on track. This really has helped me to do that.
Life gets hectic, and sometimes I just don't take the time to clear my mind, especially right after work. The zeroing out method helps me to leave my work at work, so I have a clear mind for the people at home I love.
I've been dealing with clutter in my mind for a long time now. Zeroing out, stop stress in 3 minutes, has completely cured me. Now I can meditate, get quiet, and I'm even sleeping better.
I can't believe how much zeroing out has helped me reduce stress. You've got to try it.
Work for me can get time-consuming and stressful at times, but zeroing out has really changed the way I look at my schedule and my time. Now I can leave my work at work, and I have more time and peace of mind to deal with the people that I care the most about.
Such a step above any other book I've ever seen about this topic, and it's such a simple technique, and I'm able to do it by myself, which I love. So I highly recommend it.